Well, I'm sitting here on the couch resting because we're supposed to be on the road now to Red Bay to get our RV repaired. But guess what? Moses got scared and took off running and ran into a little wooded area near a barn, and he has not been seen since. So we can't leave without our cat. So we are stuck here until we find the cat. And it may be an hour from now, it may be 10 minutes from now, it may be 5 hours from now, it may be midnight. But either way, we are going to Red Bay tonight. The cat, we searched all for the last few hours. We've called him, we've shook his food bowl thing, we've done everything, and he is nowhere to be found. So right now we're on standing by. Usually he comes to the door and meows when he wants in, but
we're on cat watch.
We're on cat watch right now. Okay, we have a cat in the house. Well, we have a cat in the RV.
Yeah.
He in our house. Meddena got him in just as we I don't know how you got him in. How'd you get him in?
I opened the door and called him.
After about 3 or 4 hours.
Well, we were ready to leave at 11, and it is now, can't get my iPhone to come up. It is 2.
Wow. Okay, this is where we're at with the RV. Red Bay Body Shop. Insurance claims welcome. 30 amp plug-in, free Wi-Fi, all major credit cards accepted. So we stayed here last night and ran our Starlink out the back, and got good Starlink right here. So had to put the dogs in the kennel all week. It broke my heart, but that's the way it is. Red Bay Body Shop, right there. Okay, then I thought he was going to do a cap, but apparently didn't need a cap. They just could fix it a lot better like this without taking the whole RV apart to do it. So he just started on this side, this way, and that side. You can see this side doesn't need working on. This is where we stay at night. Of course, they got the lights off now. We're going to turn the back lights on so I can see what they did on the coach. This is the RV. Again, this is day, what day is this?
Day 2. This is the end of day 2.
The end of day 2.
And they've got quite a bit done.
They've done a great job. They got to replace this one door here. Has got to be replaced, but he's going to paint it before they replace it. And we've done a really good job. I'm super pleased with it. So far, so good. I mean, I don't know. I'm not a body guy, but looks pretty good to me. Okay, in Red Bay, we're right up from where we're getting our Phaeton body work done and paint job worked on. And this is what it is beside the park. It's one of the tiffin things, but it's a neat little thing. It's got the tiffin, just like the tiffin rear end to the these are some places they let people stay out here while they're working on them, but it's got tiffin just like the tiffin's melted into the wall. The rear end of the tiffin. It's got tag on the back. Y'all let you read that. And it's got a blue ox and a family motor coach thing. But we just thought that was just so neat. It's right down the road from where we're getting the tiffin worked on. We're right there at Red Bay body shop. They're also going to replace the awning part, so we're going to be able to fix the awning. He's going to fix the awning before we leave also, so I'm very, very proud of it. We're very satisfied so far. Everything looks great.
Come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river and get down on your knees. Come to the mountain while taking in the view. You will find that life is greater than you knew. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight.
Oh no, she can't. We've got a separate,
Oh my goodness. Oh. Hey baby, hey. I know. Okay. Calm down.
Oh yeah, just go ahead.
Hey baby.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Hey Gracie. Hey Gracie May. Hey girl. Hey girl. Hey Gracie.
There you go, Maggie. Wait, did you miss me? Did you miss me? I know you did. And how about you? Yes, I know. Okay. Okay, you will not let me. Ow, your toenails. Gracie, what is it? Look, Daddy's gonna bring Moses. Look, there comes Moses. Moses! Moses! Hey, Moses! I know.
Door. Back.
How'd you get them open?
I reached around.
Lock it. Unlock it. It's still not unlocked. Okay.
I reached around.
Okay. Look, they're bringing your house out. Look at that new Phaeton thing.
Oh. That's just be pulling back in. Well, we're back at the farm for a few days. Hey Moses, hey boy. And wanted to show you again in the light. I know that, move my dog thing out of the way. I'll show you again in the light what the repair is. They did all fiberglass work, no Bondo. And man, it just looks good. It's just like it never was done. Put us a new Phaeton, you can see it reflecting down there, Phaeton thing at the bottom of it. And just very good work. Replaced some doors, and looks like brand new in the back. It doesn't look like it ever was touched. Very, very happy with it. Very happy with it. Red Bay Body Shop. Highly recommend Jeff and Jeff.
I know you ain't doing this to yourself. Stop what you're doing and let him go. Pack up all your things when you're fine.